Okay, we've let our neck piece on the dog set up. So now we want to put the other side on. So I'm going to line this up. You want to check it with a level or with a square to make sure you got your pieces in good shape. And we'll draw a line here. That's so we know where to spread the glue. And then we'll glue this piece on. Again, we'll get this set on where we want it. We'll set one clamp. Snug it down a little bit. Going to check it with our square. See, this is about a 1/4 inch off. See that? It's a 1/4 inch off here to here, so we have to make some adjustments. There, that's better. Good. That's good. So now we'll just tighten it down. We'll set this aside so it has time to set up, and then we can add our outside pieces.